Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Dude, do this. Dude, do this. Hey, what up? It's your boy Dude Mungus, man. Let me get to this petrol station, and I'll chime back in with y'all in just a second. We're gonna explain what all of this is. Damn. What's up, bro, Chacho? Yeah, let me get some petrol. Alright, dude and dudettes, say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus, and we back out here. You see me looking like a daggum Power Ranger because it's that time of year, man. Track day is coming up. We're in my buddy Dale are linking up with Precision Track Days, and we're going to be doing Road Atlanta on July 1st and July 2nd. And for my buddy Dale, I think it's been about a year for you. It's been about 2 years since I've been in this suit. I have lost 15 to 20 pounds, and this suit fits tighter than when I was heavier, and I'm like, how does that even happen? Found out from man Opie that if you don't wear these leather suits, they actually shrink. So the purpose of today's video is two-part. We're trying to break this in and get ready for our track day at Road Atlanta. But I also want to show you guys that a lower bike can get down with the get down. We ain't trying to do nothing crazy, but hey, you can still have fun. Your bike is not ruined. So we're gonna head out to Cafe Nocte first, let it dry out because it did rain a little bit last night. And then once it dries out, that temperature get up, we gonna get to going. You see me moving like this? I couldn't move like this the other day. I was like, oh my God. I can't move. I can't move. So
like that, putting it over.
So what? Yeah, just like struggle. You know what? Let me see if I can find that video of me first putting this on. That joint was ridiculous. So my buddy Dale gave me some advice. I cleaned the leather suit. I put leather conditioner on it, and then I stuck it in the shower. Not literally in the shower. It's just my shower gets really hot, so it was steaming up. And so it was in the shower probably about 30, 45 minutes just to kind of loosen it up or whatever. And it feels a whole lot better than what it was because I could not stand up straight the other day. I was crazy. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. Without further ado, let's get about this piece and we gonna rock and roll. I guess once I get to the helmet cam, I'll give you guys at least a cold start of the bike, so at least you can hear something. But we have this piece. Let me back out the way so you can hear this beast. You ain't gonna be able to hear nothing when I start my bike. So I'll hear the bat and its quietness, and then when Dale start his bike, you can be able to hear nothing. Oh yeah, the bat. Ooh, the bat is dirty too. Y'all don't judge me. I did not clean the bat. It was one of them busy weeks at work and home, and it just did not happen. Normally I clean it every time when I get in. Well, if I don't do nothing else, I at least clean the chain, but I didn't do anything, so judgment free zone, babe. Judgment free zone. Listen to this thing. Can't even hear my bike anymore. It just they like blend together, but it's not like a even blend together. He just takes it all. Oh, it sounds so good. Dale about crispified his license plate too. Shout out to my boy Dale, rocking the Insta360 X4. Use my affiliate link to get it.
out everyone's now to see what they like. Get some in-person reviews on them.
For the most part, Vortex normally has the most adjustability, which that's what I like. This one, the adjustability isn't that great, but it made a difference for me. Like I said, I like mine personally backing up. I want mine a little bit higher, but that's also my body size, my weight, my frame is right. Now, two, it goes for the aspect of being able to mix up pull it in. Like me, I kind of ride with a slightly exaggerated body position. Also, I hate it harder, like racing angle to a higher weight. Top of the bike, I'm going to see it down.
All right, dude, Dad, say what up. We are here at Cafe Noctane. Been meeting people, seeing my boy Sir John, giving advice, bro. Shouting out my shop, Kayla made. But yeah, let me take you guys around, show you guys what we got out here, and then we'll pop back onto the bike because it looks like you can see it. Hopefully it's coming through. We got some weather coming in, so the plan to ride and go yee like originally planned probably ain't gonna happen, but we're gonna make it do something. All right, ready? All right, didn't do that. So that's gonna do it for Cafe Noctane. You go get out of here. This weather's looking ugly, so we're gonna go hit a few sweepers and then we're getting out this piece. Man, I can't lie, and there's nothing against A-Star, but I really wish I had my 1X USA gloves on right now. I need a 1X USA suit. They're it's 10 times more comfortable. Let's get it in, baby. The only thing, this pole is directly in my way when leaning left. It's in my way as heck. Which means I need to scoot back, but man, I keep pushing up on my tank, bro. That's why it would be good to have one of them tank extenders to keep me back. But I can't help it, bro. I'm gonna be right up on the tank. What, you? He's coming. Oh!
I can't get leaned over. This is like right in my way, bro. My boy laying rubber down. Man, I hope the camera picked that up. Oh, I hope the camera picked that up. He laying rubber down, bro. Heck yeah. Oh, bro, I hope the camera caught that. That's so dope. Dude, you was laying rubber as you was in the turn, bro. You was laying rubber as you was in the turn. Looked just like MotoGP. I was like, yo! I was supposed to be behind you. I was like, is that him? And I was like, oh, he's laying rubber.
That first loop around,
Yeah.
you walked away from me. And I was just second, so when I tried to speed up a little bit,
Yeah.
it started pulling me over to the curve.
Yeah.
So I was downshifting the curve, but you walked the shit out of me on that.
Yeah, we do runs. We kind of sit back, debrief, talk about it, talk about comfort levels, and make sure we stay within that comfort level. Because again, it's not like we at a racetrack right now. It ain't worth it enough trying to prove a point to halfway kill yourself or your buddy. Get in there, Mungus. I would have got right beside him, but I didn't know if he wanted to take this inside line. And of course he did. So I didn't want to take that away from him. Both of us just pumping off on him. Pat, pat. They shoot you! Woo. Heck yeah, that was good. They gotta be sweating, bro.
Look at that color I got in the pipe, boy. Somebody was rolling, boy. Dude, this was one part I caught both of us. I was like, oh, they shooting. Yeah.
Right before you drop in.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we did more that time, bro.
I was kidding. No, I was kidding. I was like, this guy I watched on YouTube the other day. It's the coach.
Yeah.
He said, you ain't out of it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we got down just a little bit more, baby. Yeah, that was that was good. Yeah, dude, when we got down, I was like, whew, whew. I was like, I was sweating. I was like, boy, look at that, bro.
Blue chocolate. No market. No market. No market. Thank you for watching, dude. No market.